In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Smartsheet. This is an essential skill if you're managing data from various regions and need to ensure that your date formats align with location-specific standards. Having the correct date format not only makes your data appear more professional, but it also prevents any potential misunderstandings that might occur with international collaborators. Let's get started by logging into your Smartsheet account. This is your usual starting point whenever you're making changes or managing your sheets. Once you're logged in, take a look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and give it a click. Now, upon clicking your profile, you'll see a menu pop up. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Settings. This will bring up a new window containing various account options, providing you with a range of customizations to tailor your Smartsheet experience to your needs. Scroll through the list of settings until you find the section titled Region Preferences. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll notice the option to select your region, which is crucial for setting your date format. You might be wondering why this is important. Well, based on the region you select, the default date format will automatically adjust to match that region's conventions. For example, if you're in the United States, the format you'll typically use is MMDDYYYY. On the other hand, if you're in the United Kingdom, the standard format is DDMMYYYYY. Choosing the correct region ensures these formats are automatically applied, eliminating any potential errors. It's incredibly easy to let inaccuracies slip in, especially when coordinating with colleagues or clients across borders. By setting your region correctly, you're taking a significant step toward maintaining the integrity and clarity of your data. Once you've selected your region, take a moment to review your choice. It's always beneficial to double-check, as the date format will impact how dates are displayed throughout your entire workspace. When you're confident with your selection, it's time to finalize the change. Look for the Save button located at the bottom of the Settings menu. Clicking Save will apply the changes across all your sheets, updating the date format seamlessly. And just like that, you've realigned your Smartsheet dates to fit your regional standards, streamlining your data management and ensuring clarity in your communications. Mastering this skill can be especially advantageous if you frequently work with teams across different regions. This wraps up our tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowers you to manage your Smartsheet dates more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below or contact Smartsheet support, who are always ready to help. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy Smartsheeting.